G'day guys. If you're like me and you've got an MSI Delta 15 or possibly another machine that also supports an RX 6700M, potentially any of the 6700 laptops, I've done a driver update and that has completely killed my audio. So if I go here, I'm running the latest graphics driver, and what I've found on the internet, thanks to a forum post, was that you got to splice a bit of the drivers together to get audio functioning once more. So what I've done, I'm running Windows 11. I downloaded the 22.11.2 recommended driver, which then has no audio, and then I downloaded the 22.5.1, or you could download it off your manufacturer's website. From there, I extracted the files, and what I did was the older driver, I went into packages. Don't know why I don't config. No, I don't know why I don't have access to this. Do I have access over here? No. What I did was I went into the older, or extracted both of them. I've got new and old, and then I deleted the audio driver out of the new one. Then I copied the audio driver from the old extracted folder and put it in the exact same place over here on the new driver. And then I ran the driver setup file. So what that's doing is installing the newer graphics driver with the older audio driver. So that should potentially get audio back on your laptop without having the need of using the older driver on there. Granted, some games will have various fixes, so it's definitely usually worthwhile to run the newer driver. But right now this seems to be the way to actually be able to retain audio while using the newer driver. Anyway, that's helped me. I hope that helps you, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.